Have you heard about this one?
What's this one? iPhone SE 3 rumored to feature iPhone 10R design with Touch ID and be Apple's last LCD smartphone. Would it keep up the SE thing?
It's a nice render, I have to say.
Yeah, and it's not gonna look like that.
What if it does?
Okay, so if it looked like that,
You know?
if it looked like that, can't be charging $399 for it.
Yeah,
that thing's gonna cannibalize all the premium.
Sure,
devices
it doesn't even have a notch as well
because they're using Touch ID.
Yeah.
Yeah, but that's going to cannibalize, man. You look at something like that, it looks so futuristic.
It does,
all display.
Yeah, it does.
All of a sudden, I want to put down my iPhone 13 Pro slab. Apple's third generation iPhone SE feature a 10R-like display with Touch ID design. Sorry, I like the Touch ID idea.
On the side here as a button?
Yeah, man. I got no problem with that. They did it on the iPad. I literally just looked at a phone that can't be named right now that has the fingerprint unlock on the side, and I don't have a problem with it.
Well, why can't they put it in the display?
Because then they'd be admitting they're late to the party because that stuff's been around. They gotta have some alternative approach at this point. Plus, in-display is not perfect, man. It has its benefits and drawbacks, and some people are into it, others are not. Some are better than others. I like the fact that SE would hang around a little longer because it acted as an entry point for a lot of people who felt locked into iOS but did not want to spend $1,000, $1,500. I mean, I guess there's cheaper ones, but iPhones are expensive. Yeah, let's see what else it says over there. Yeah, go back down. Oh, you're on fire today. You're flying all over this page. Holy jeez. Rumors around the design of the next iPhone SE have been muddled with rumors from reliable sources such as Ming Chi, Ross Young. Touch ID side button this year, Kuo and Young withdrew these expectations, saying that the third generation iPhone SE would instead have the same design as the current model with a home button. Okay, so it might be a lot more boring than some had hoped to see. But there's agreements and disagreements, as there always would be in the leaker community. I mean, that's how you make a name for yourself. You got to make your predictions and live with them. That would be a cool iPhone SE, though, if it actually came to fruition.